Australia, moving the age.
Robotics in motion, automation in flow, supply chains moving faster as industries grow.
Hands-on technology built to perform, logistics evolving, leading the norm. This is where the future moves. This is where the industry improves. Melbourne lights, innovation clear.
CeMAT Australia,
the next step is here.
Leaders connect and solutions rise.
Tech demos live before our eyes.
Materials moving with smarter control.
Driving progress from dock to goal. This is where the future moves. This is where the industry improves. From ideas to action, from plans to gear.
CeMAT Australia,
the next step is here.